So guys, summers are here and today I'm going to talk about some of my personal favorite sunscreens. If you have some other favorite sunscreen which I have not mentioned in this video, please let me know down in the comment section below. So I'm going to start with 3 sunscreens which are recommended very highly by dermatologists, okay? And they're also very safe even if you have sensitive skin, even if you have extremely acne prone skin. So the first one is hands down my favorite, that is the SolarSafe SPF 50 sunscreen which contains PA++ protection. Now even if you tend to sweat a lot, this is the sunscreen for you because it can actually hold up really well against the sweat. It suits people with oily skin, with dry skin, with normal skin, with sensitive skin, with acne prone skin. It suits everybody, and the best thing about this sunscreen is that it does not leave any vast white cast behind. In fact, after you apply this sunscreen, you will realize that it also works as a primer. So if you want to wear a sunscreen with the primer, once again this is the best sunscreen to use. I cannot stress this enough. I really like this sunscreen, guys. However, one negative thing about this sunscreen is the price point. It's definitely on the expensive side. However, if you don't mind spending that much, you should totally go for it. And since we're talking about sunscreens recommended by dermatologists, let me make one last recommendation to you guys. So I don't have the sunscreen with me right now, but I have used this in the past. It's a very popular brand. You might have even heard about this one. This is the Requil Oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. This is once again specifically designed for those with oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. It contains SPF 50 with PA++. It again does not leave any white cast behind, and you just need to reapply every 3 to 5 hours and that should be good enough. The next sunscreen I'm going to talk about is definitely for those who have dry skin. So it's a far more affordable option, and this is the VLCC D-Tan Sunscreen Gel Creme with SPF 50 and PA++. It gives you UV and UVB protection, and it's also a paraben-free formula. Now what I like about this sunscreen is that you just have to use a little bit of the formula, and be very careful guys, don't end up using too much, otherwise it will not blend very well into your skin. Massage this well into your skin, but don't over massage it, and just leave it like that for about 10 minutes before proceeding with your makeup. So this sunscreen is absolutely perfect if you have dry skin and if you're looking for an affordable sunscreen option. You will need to reapply every 2 to 4 hours, but I think in the long run it's totally worth it because you save a lot of money and also prevent tanning. One quick thing that I want to mention about this sunscreen is that a lot of people complain that after using this sunscreen the skin feels heavy and all of that. That's really just because you have applied too much of the sunscreen, or you have applied it on the damp skin. So right after coming from the shower, okay, after you have taken a shower and your skin is feeling damp, don't apply this on damp skin. Wait for your skin to just settle down to the normal way it is and then apply this sunscreen. And since we're talking so much about reapplying sunscreen, let's be very honest guys, it's not always very practical to actually reapply the sunscreen. Because first of all, it's a lot of hard work, it's a lot of effort. Especially if you're wearing makeup, it can be very difficult. So here's a very quick hack. Here I have with me the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 40. It contains UV and UVB protection with PA++. So as you can see, this is a compact sunscreen, right? It's very easy to use this because you can even use this over your light makeup. You can use this anytime, anywhere. It's very fast, very handy, and especially great if your skin tends to get oily or chip or really if you tend to sweat a lot. There's something which you can again use very well. However, the sunscreen does come with some very big disadvantages. Number one, just like a lot of Lakme products, even this one very unfortunately does not have a lot of shade range. So Lakme, if you're listening, please improve your shade range because the Indian skin tone is beautiful, the dusky skin tone is beautiful. This one is mostly good for those who have fair skin tone, medium to fair skin tone, but not for girls who have dusky skin tone, unfortunately. And one more thing about the sunscreen is that, you know, it doesn't give you a very high level of sun protection. So this is not something which you can use like as a single product for complete sun protection. There's just something which you can use on the side when you can't do a quick touch up, or you know, when you just want to use a compact. So might as well use a compact which also has sun protection, right? But this will not give you complete protection. I just like it a lot because it's a very handy thing to have in spite of all the disadvantages. Next I have with me 2 sunscreens which look very similar, so I'm going to talk about them together. Both of these are from Lotus Herbals. The first one is a 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunblock, and this is suitable for all skin types, and the product is slightly tinted in color. Now this is something which I would not recommend if you have extremely oily skin. If you have dry skin and if you don't mind a slightly tinted sunscreen, because it also kind of works as a slight foundation, not very high foundation but a slight foundation, this is something which you can try out. The best thing about the sunscreen is its price point, because it's far more affordable than most of the sunscreens in the market. It gives you decent sun protection. However, even though the brand name says Lotus Herbals, let me be very honest with you guys, it does have some chemicals in it. The other one is the matte gel sunscreen, which is specifically designed for normal to oily skin. This is a far superior option, I think, in comparison to the last one, because it is an ultra light gel-like formula. It does not leave any white cast behind. It's very easy to work with. You will need to reapply this quite a few times in the day, but it's totally worth it because of the price and also because of the sun protection it gives. Another sunscreen which I don't have with me right now, but I think it totally deserves a mention. I mean, just look at the Amazon ratings, guys. It's off the charts. This one is from the brand Neutrogena. So before the other sunscreens that I was just talking about came into the scene, this sunscreen was again recommended by a lot of dermatologists. Ideally, it is best suited for those with normal to dry skin. If you have extremely oily skin, this may or may not work for you. It's a very mixed response that we get. Sometimes people with extremely oily skin love it. Sometimes people with oily skin hate it. So there's a bit of a risk factor there if you have oily skin. But for normal to dry skin, this thing works really well. It gives you brilliant sun protection. It is very easy to work with and does not leave a white cast behind. Just make sure you use only a little bit. So guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. These were all the sunscreens that I wanted to mention. If you have any other favorite sunscreens, please let me know which one is that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.